Meta boosts teen AI safety. Meta is rolling out a new safety feature that alerts parents when their teens' conversations with Meta AI suggest signs of suicide or self harm risk. The tool is part of a broader push to strengthen protections for younger users across Instagram and other Meta platforms. A dedicated AI system scans chats for clear indicators of distress. Every flagged conversation goes through human review before any alert reaches a parent, a step Meta says helps avoid unnecessary alarm while still catching genuine warning signs. To balance safety with privacy, the alerts don't share the actual chat content. Instead, parents receive a notification prompting them to check in with their teen along with expert backed guidance on how to start that conversation. The feature is currently live for supervised teen accounts in the US, UK, Australia, and Canada, with plans to expand worldwide by year's end. Meta is also extending its limited content setting to Meta AI, narrowing the chatbot's responses to sensitive topics for teen users. Looking forward, Meta plans to add the ability to notify emergency services directly when a conversation signals imminent risk, joining a growing trend of AI platforms building in mental health safeguards. Let's look into today's headlines. Uttar Pradesh set to become a hub for robotics, AI, and deep tech. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed the preparation of a comprehensive action plan to make Uttar Pradesh a national leader in robotics, artificial intelligence, quantum computing, semiconductors, and other emerging technologies. He said the Pragati project in Noida will create a world class ecosystem for robotics and advanced manufacturing, while the U hubs coming up in Lucknow and Noida will serve as key centers for deep tech innovation by bringing together researchers, startups, industry, investors, and academic institutions on a common platform. Government to take equity stakes in chip startups under Semicon 2.0, exit as firm scale. The Indian government will acquire equity stakes in semiconductor startups under the newly approved Semicon 2.0 initiative, with plans to exit its investments as the companies scale and mature, India Semiconductor Mission CEO Amitesh Kumar Sinha said. He also said the government would invest alongside venture capital funds as a co investor rather than taking on the role of a controlling shareholder. Bengaluru to come up with single platform Sahaya Plus for all civic complaints. The Greater Bengaluru Authority is developing Sahaya Plus, a unified grievance redressal platform that will bring together civic complaints from multiple channels, including social media, into a single dashboard to improve accountability and accelerate issue resolution. The initiative is being developed under the direction of Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar, who has also rolled out a centralized grievance management system at the state level to track and monitor complaints across government departments. US to form AI cybersecurity coordination network for critical infrastructure. The United States is launching a new coordination framework that will bring together AI developers, software companies, and critical infrastructure operators to identify, share, and address cybersecurity vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious actors. Announced by the White House, the initiative implements a June executive order signed by President Donald Trump and underscores the administration's efforts to strengthen cybersecurity as increasingly advanced AI systems become more widely deployed. Meta expands teen safety with AI chat alerts for parents. Meta has introduced a new safety feature that alerts parents if their teen interacts with its Meta AI chatbot about suicide or self harm. The feature is currently available in the US, the UK, Australia, and Canada, with a global rollout planned by the end of the year. The update is part of Meta's broader efforts to enhance safety measures for young users on Instagram. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow War India magazine. You can download War India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.